Yo, look at all that fucking smoke, bro.
Jesus Christ, you can feel the fucking heat from that already.
Fucking building is torching. Whatever that is, it's torching.
That's what I said, whatever's on that train.
Damn, that shit look crazy.
I don't know if it's a train or...
But they said the train derailed and ran into that building.
Niggas setting shit on fire.
They're industrial, see? They're getting explosions, man.
Fucking smoke cloud.
It's getting hotter too, so whatever it is going to go.
Oh my God, that shit look crazy.
That what is a train?
Imagine a nigga getting burnt like that. I don't know.
How far away do you think we are?
Oh my God. Oh. Hey, yo, roll the window.
Come on, man.
Roll the windows up and shit. Roll the windows up. Shut the sound ready. Shut the sound ready. Damn.
Fucking I felt that
That shit blew the fuck up. I had a feeling something was gonna blow.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh my God. Look, I was recording that whole shit. I wonder if I got it.
What? Did you feel it? Boy, I felt it.
God damn!
Yo, that shit crazy.
Damn.
Damn. What the fuck was flaming?